Is your Smma drowning in scheduling chaos? Let's streamline your workflow with Calendly, your new secret weapon for effortlessly managing appointments, client calls, and team coordination. First, head to Calendly and create an account, or log in from there. Create your event types. Click the event types button. These are essentially the types of meetings you'll be offering, like client strategy call or lead generation demo. Click create and select your event. We will start with the basic options, such as meeting name, and selecting the duration of the meeting. 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Now, look at the scheduling options. Think about your availability. Determine your availability, such as business hours, and create a schedule that works for both you and your clients. You can also add buffer times before and after meetings to give yourself breaks. Click apply. With your scheduling in place, we can move forward. Now it's time to customize your event. In this section, you will find an invitee information tab, where you will customize this section. Here you can request essential information from your clients, consider prompts about their business goals, and how they found you. These details help you prepare for the call. Once the event type is set up, it's time to integrate. You can share your Calendly link directly with clients via email, or add it in your marketing materials. You can embed it on your website, providing a seamless booking experience. With your Calendly set up, you'll be booking meetings in a breeze. It can even integrate with your other favorite apps, so ditch the scheduling stress and start using Calendly to grow your Smma. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more tips.